wanted a sound like the English club, you know, a small club with a very immersive sound. I think Void is a really good choice because we are really happy with the sound, the experience, you know, when I talk about club experience, because we are not a club, it's between restaurants and club, so it's an experience.
Very happy, it's a very good sound system. This is the best brand of sound, yeah, for us.
We want different space in the restaurant, so the heart of the club experience, it's behind me, yeah, it's the dance floor, which is good with Void, so we can choose the color, and for us red is perfect because we imagine an fall club, so we want to put some spicy thing with the speakers, yeah.